Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable child lock on the XIAOMI Standing Fan 2 Lite. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the XIAOMI Home app, and then make sure that the fan has been paired to your app, and after that we're going to press on our fan inside of the app. And then we're going to press on the three dots on the top right, and here we have the child lock option. So this option, basically, once you enable it, the buttons on the fan are deactivated. So for example, your child won't be able to mess with the fan and press on some random buttons. And keep in mind that the child lock can only be disabled using the app. So you cannot disable it using the buttons on the fan, only using the app on your phone. So to disable it, you just press it like that, you will hear a beep, and that means that child lock has been disabled. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.